Hello. In this video, we will learn about the order of operations in Excel.
When you're writing formulas in Excel, it's very important to understand the order of operations. That's basically how Excel evaluates the formula. It basically gives the order in which all of these mathematical operators are evaluated in Excel. So we have a similar convention to mathematics in Excel when we are evaluating formulas, and this applies to the order of operation. So you can use the acronym BODMAS or PIDMAS. So both are the same. So here we first evaluate brackets or parentheses, then orders or indices. So this is basically taking to the power exponential, like this exponentiation, that is the orders and the indices. And then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So depending on different countries, they use different conventions, but it's pretty much same. And it's the same that is applied in Excel. So let's see this formula over here. So this adds 5 to 2 into 3. Here we have the plus sign and the multiplication. So what comes first? So brackets are not there, orders are not there, division is not there, multiplication is there. So what will first happen is Excel will evaluate 2 into 3. And here if you keep your mouse pointer, you will see a help tip. It gives the value that is coming after evaluation. So 2 into 3 is 6. And then what it does is, to that 6, it adds the 5 because addition comes afterwards. And we get the result 11. And this formula, we see there's a bracket. So brackets are evaluated first. So what it will do is it will add 5 to 2, 7, and then go to multiplication. So 7 into 3 is 21, and you see 21 is the answer. In this example, you got a division, 50 divided by 10. So here division comes before addition and subtraction. So what it will do is it will first divide 50 by 10, arrive at 5, and 30 plus 5 minus 5. So that will be the answer. So 30 will be the final result. In this example, there are 2 brackets. So it will evaluate both brackets first. So 30 plus 50 will be 80, and then 10 minus 5 will be 5. So 80 divided by 5 will be 16. So we get the answer 16. So in this last example, we got 10 to the power 2 divided by 5 plus 2. So here if you come through if you go through the list, orders comes first, or exponentiation or indices. So what it will do is it will take first 10 to the power 2, it will take 100, and then we got division. So it will divide 100 by 5. Then it will get 20, and to 20 it will add the 20. So it will be 40. So if you are not sure in a complicated formula the order of operations or how Excel will evaluate it, you can go to Formulas tab, the Formulas ribbon, and go to Formula Auditing section. There you have what is called Evaluate Formula. So when you click on Evaluate Formula, it will show how Excel is basically going to evaluate this formula step by step. So first thing, after you see the formula there, you can click Evaluate, and you will see what happens first. So it will say that these 2 multiplication happened there. Then 5 plus 6 will be added to come to 11. So on the formulas also, you can click Evaluate Formula, and here you see first the bracket or the parenthesis was evaluated, and then multiplication will happen. And likewise, you can see how other formulas are evaluated. Here you'll see first the exponentiation or 10 to the power 2 was solved, and then division will happen, and then addition will happen. So that's an easy way for you to check how formulas evaluated if you're not sure. So anyway, you need to know this. So anyway, you need to know the general order of operation in Excel, which is BODMAS or PIDMAS for short.
Thanks for watching.